So I wanted to share this little example of the kind of work I've been doing on the project. Um, for example, there is a need for a different type of faucet on this, obviously one that's controlled by a solenoid. However, I would also like to get UV within the nozzle. There's a problem a lot of times where bacteria will accumulate right here at the end of the nozzle. It's the perfect condition for life. So if we're sanitary or, sealed all the way up until a solenoid, but then we have air and water mixing, we have an issue, right? So that's the perfect place for bacteria to grow. So I'm trying some different sizes of nozzles right now. I'm just testing them at 40 psi with a standard, RO tank. Ignore the little drips. But we want to test for how fast can we fill a 1 liter bottle. We want to know not just like how fast we can do it, right? Because we can just up the pressure, but how smoothly can we do it? Can we do it fast and have it not spray water everywhere? These are the kind of little user interface things that I like to think a lot about. This is a little project right here where I'm going to be putting a lot of UV LEDs. These can also include some inline UV LEDs, which should work. But also these can be removed and replaced, something that doesn't exist on most other types of water filters. So it's just an example, a little test rig that I'm building up on my water table, because my shop doesn't have water inside of it. But yeah, just a little tour of the place. It's just a little shop in Long Island City in New York, mostly filled with Harbor Freight tools, some old things like this. Mostly, Amazon cheap power supplies, but learning a lot through doing this. Moved fully to stainless steel to try to work with it. It's very hard to work with, but I think it is the best material for the job. I've been mostly using 304. There's some 3/16 stuff, or I'm sorry, 416, 316, yeah, 316. 304 is much easier to work with and to get for decent prices, but of course we have material costs being a serious issue here. So again, just an example of one of the things I'm doing to try to build all of the components of having the best filter. And this is part of it. So thanks for listening.